All right, hello. I want to quickly walk through solving our system of differential equations online. And so I just opened up a new Chrome browser. I went in incognito mode just so it's as if I'm going to the website for the first time. So it looks like exactly what you would see. So I'm going to do a quick search for CoCalc. So CoCalc. Okay, the first link that comes up is for CoCalc. And so I'm going to click on it. And yeah, welcome to the CoCalc website. For the purpose of today, we do not need to create an account. And so I'm just going to click Run CoCalc Now. And so give it a second to start up. So I'm using Chrome. I tested this earlier, and it also works in Firefox. All right, and so the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to select a kernel. And so the kernel we want to select, if you scroll down, is Octave. Okay, so GNU Octave, essentially it's the open source analog of MATLAB. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do a file, new. We're going to need to create a new M file. Okay. And I'm going to call this sir.m. Okay, and press return. Okay, and then I'll put a link in the chat, but I'm going to send you a link to two files. Okay, the first one is this sir.m, sir.m. And so you should just be able to open it up just like this in Google Drive. And so I'm just going to do Control C and then come back here and paste it. Okay, and then do a Control S to save. Okay, so it's saved. And then once I have that, I'm just going to go back, click on this other tab, Welcome to CoCalc. Okay, so I'm going to click on this tab where we were originally. The other link that I'll share with you in chat is to this text file input commands.txt. And so I again just want you to copy, okay, Control C, bring it back here and paste. Okay, and so this is just going to contain the commands then to run our program. Okay, so in the top part, okay, we specify our parameters. Okay, so S naught, I naught, R naught, gamma, and then also this R parameter, the final time that we're going to integrate out to, and then this is us calling our program to solve our differential equation and generate a plot. Okay, and so after pasting all that in there to run it, okay, I'm just going to have my cursor at the very last line, do a shift return. Okay, and so doing so, we generate our plot. Okay, if I want to change any of my parameters, so let's just pick gamma. So right now gamma is 0.05. If I want to change it to say 0.5, okay, I'll just update it to 0.5. Put my cursor back here at the last line and do another shift return. Okay, and then the results are generated with that updated parameter. Okay, but that's it. So we'll go over this in the workshop, but here's a video in case you're not able to follow along. Okay, hope that helps.